Hi students, we looked at Peaceful Easy Feeling by the Eagles this week, and it offered a combination of two strums alternating. It was the first measure was down, 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 up, and then the second measure was down, down, up, up, down, up. Now on a D, and especially the intro, that would mean the D chord, and then the D suspension, would be played like that. And that's the intro. You do that 4 times, by the way. So let me stand so you can see what my right hand is doing a little easier. And let me make myself also spotlit. So it would be the D, which is played normal D, and then the D sus. Remember, you put your pinky down right there. You add it. So it would be. Now, what I did was I went on after the intro to play the chords of the song, and in the same way you alternated, you would do it with the tune. So it'd be the D starts off, I like the way you're smart, and it's followed by a G, which is in that calypso, down, down, up, up, down, up, and then the D. Notice there's a in the calypso part, it's down, down, up, down, up. When I'm doing the last up, I'm changing hand positions. So there's, and by the way, that's actually an E minor. When you just play, when you're just playing free strings like that. But let me demonstrate very slow. 3, 4. Then it repeats. By the way, the A, which was 2 measures, is both styles. The A. And then let's look at the rest of the tune while I'm demystifying the strum. Cause I all around, cause I got a peaceful. So A 7th. So so with a billion stars. Again, 3, 4. I'm starting the line before the chorus. 3, 4. With a billion stars all around, 'cause I got a peaceful, easy feeling, and I know you don't let me down. So you have had 2-measure lines there. 'Cause I got a peaceful, easy was 2 measures. So that was on the ground. Most times I don't hear that A7 strummed. It's just let it ring. On the ground. So let's see. And I know you won't let me down. 'Cause I'm already standing. Yeah, every one of those chords is 1 measure. So you start with E minor, down, 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 up, down, A7th. I'm talking about this E minor, down, 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 up, down, up. A7th, down, down, up, down, up. D, down, 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 up, down, up. E minor, down, down, up, up. And then G is down, 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 up, and let that A7th ring. And then D would be down, 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 up, down, down, up, down. 2 bars. And I found out, great song. We're going to have a lot of fun with this one. It was about time. It was about time we got some Eagles pieces under our belt. And this one is also not that difficult to memorize. And the D and the D suspension. Yeah, that's from Lucky Man. So we already have had a little bit of experience with the D suspension. And like all suspensions, they need to be resolved. So we go to the D suspension, then it resolves with a D, etc. Have fun, students.